Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be unboxing one of my personal favorite subscription boxes. I have with me my PLouise budget box. This monthly subscription box will feature all things beauty related to the PLouise brand. It's always a good mixture, I feel like, too. You get a little bit of everything, but they are so cute, you guys. This packaging is always extra. It's pink, it's gold, it's over the top. I just love it. So we are going to be doing an unboxing of the February 2024 box today. This subscription does ship from the UK, so it does take a little bit longer to arrive here. If you purchase today, I will have a link down below if you'd like to get your very own budget box. You will receive the March box if you order in March, but we're gonna go ahead and dive into my February box. I'm gonna show you everything that's inside of it and let's see what we have. If you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription box, I will be posting a link down below there for you guys to do that. On the PLouise website, I'm looking at it right now, it does state that if you order the March box in March, it will not ship out from their warehouse until April 10th. And then it takes a little while in shipping to arrive. So I would say you're probably looking at it about April 15th is when you will receive your March box, which is about normal for this subscription box. So just keep that in mind that in order to get it, you would need to order in March, but you won't receive it until about the middle of April. The shipping doesn't really bother me at this point just because I still receive a box every single month and I'm kind of used to it at this point. I just always have to remember like which box this is. But they also post photos on their website. So if you ever get in your order and you're like, I don't know which sub box this is it March? Is it February? I don't know. They will have a photo online that you can actually look and compare, and that way you'll know which box you've received. All right, let's go ahead and rip off this tab and see what's inside of our February box. Woo! Man, I tell you, those get tougher and tougher every time. Oh my gosh! There's a lot in here. Holy bananas. So usually when I receive my budget box, we typically have anywhere from like 3 to maybe 5 items. It's typically 3 or 4 items, but they're usually very large or we'll have pallets. So I'm fine with that. But this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. This is very abnormal. So if you guys do order, don't expect this. I mean, you'll receive beauty products, obviously, but I don't want to mislead you into thinking you're going to get 7 products every month. Typically, it's about 3 to 5 items is what you would receive. So first item that I have is from her skincare line, and this is the In Love With Me. This is a peach mist. Oh, it's a foaming face cleanser. Oh, and it explains. Oh my gosh, now I got it. Did you see the light bulbs? It was like ding, 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 ding. Okay, so this is a facial cleanser, but it's very unique, which is so on par for PLouise. Like, she always makes the most unique things. It is a foaming facial cleanser, which I don't know if you guys can see that spring inside of this packaging. When you pump this up here at the top, it's actually going to come out of this spot here with these 3 holes. And this is going to be a silicone pad with bristles on it. So you can pump this and use it to cleanse all in one product. So you don't need a separate brush. You don't have to use your hands and get dirty if you don't want to. You can use all of it right here. Now, if you don't like the brush that she has on here or it's not for you, you can take this off and use just the pump for your foaming cleanser. But I do think it's unique. I've never seen that done before. I love that she's even included this plastic cap so that way it will protect it as well, keep germs and bacteria off of it. It's very unique, you guys. I can always count on PLouise to come up with something different, you know? Like, I swear, I feel like I've seen everything now with beauty. There's not a lot of surprises, but yet she always has a different take on things. And then this happens and I'm like, what am I looking at? So I love it. It's kind of a thrill for me to open this box because it's always different. So next item that I have in here is called the Plump Me Pretty. It is a plumping moisturizer that we have here. Okay, so full-size product. The scent that I have is watermelon, and sometimes the scents will vary from box to box. Oh, this is cute. So here's our packaging. Very adorable. And then inside, we're going to have our moisturizer, and oh, it is thick. Look at that, you guys. So thick and creamy. Oh my gosh. It is watermelon, and it's a juicy watermelon. So the best way for me to describe this is if you've ever had the Jolly Ranchers and they have a watermelon scented Jolly Rancher, this smells exactly like that. It's sweet, it's juicy, it smells like summer. Oh my gosh, I could eat this. It smells so good. This next item has a crown on it. It's giving princess, it says. I love it. So these are lip oils, which we just had lip oils in the month prior in the January box too, but different packaging. So this is the Princess Kit. The shade names are Spoiled Sparkle, Crystal Queen, and Tiara Topaz. Ooh. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, but this is what the box itself looks like here. And then inside you will have 3 lip oils. The first one, this is the Spoiled Sparkle, and this is what it will look like for packaging. So you've still got those princess vibes. And let's see. Oh, there is a shimmer in here. It's got kind of a peach shimmer. It's very subtle. It's not a lot of color, but there is a little bit there. So this is what this one looks like. Oh, that sparkle is so pretty. In the sunlight, it is just super sparkly and gorgeous, but the scent is amazing. Oh my gosh, this is bubblegum. It smells exactly like bubblegum to me, but it's very beautiful. My next shade is the Crystal Queen. So I think this one is supposed to be a little bit more clear. It's got a silver shimmer to it. So I'll swatch right above this one, but the other one definitely had more of a peach shimmer, and this has definitely got the crystal or the silver crystals in it instead. From a distance though, you really wouldn't be able to tell once it was on your lips. It's just in the sunlight that you can definitely see a difference. Now the scent on this one, I'm still getting bubblegum, so I think they all have the same scent. It smells really good. The last one is called Tiara Topaz, and let's see what this one looks like. Oh, it's pretty. Now this definitely has more color, so you can definitely see that has more of a tint to it. And again, it's got this golden shimmer. I'm gonna go right up here at the top, and this one is really pretty. So this is what it looks like there. Now you can't really tell again. That's the only thing I notice with these lip oils from PLouise is they look beautiful in the direct sunlight. But if you don't have that, you can't usually tell a difference with the shades. So they all look great. If you're just looking for a hydrating lip oil with some shine and some shimmer, you could use any of these and they're all gonna do the trick. And they all smell really good. Now we also received some lashes in our box. The first pair is called Marriage Material. These are honestly perfect. If I'm gonna wear lashes, this is what I will go with. Is something that's gonna give you a little bit more volume, but look very natural and that aren't too crazy and over the top. I love crazy eyeshadow looks, but I don't need a ton of lashes personally. So I love that these are very simple, very subtle. These are faux lashes, and inside of this box, it also comes with the lash glue. You can actually re-wear these up to 20 times, so they're reusable. And I do think her lashes are very natural looking, so I love that. But if you want to go with something with a lot of drama, a lot of volume, she also sent a pair called Mega Mood, and these also will come with the lash glue in the box. You can reuse them up to 20 times, but as you can tell, they're very long, very thick, and they're gonna give you a lot of drama. Next item inside of our box today is the I'm So Jelly. This is, well, I don't know what this is. Oh, a makeup remover. This is a jelly makeup remover. The scent that I have is pineapple. So again, this is from her skincare line. It is all sealed, but we're gonna smell this for sure because the watermelon one was so good. So let me take this off here so we can see what it's like. All right, so again, really thick jelly formula here. Look at this. And it is jelly-like because it jiggles a little bit, but you get a lot of product in here. Oh man, this is exactly pineapple. but it's also a little bit sweeter. It's like a sugared pineapple is how I would describe it. But when you're biting into fresh pineapple and you know when like the juice is running down and you're like smelling it while you're eating and it's just amazing, that's what this smells like. Last item that we have today is a makeup melter. So this is our full-size jar here, and it is the Makeup Melt Away. We have it in the scent orange, or is it just the color? Okay, we'll open it and find out for sure. It says orange, so I'm inclined to think this is a scent, but maybe it does just refer to color. I'm not quite sure yet. I will say, we're getting like the whole fruit basket this month. You know what I mean? I don't know if that was intentional or not, but we are getting it all. Oh my gosh, it is orange. So this is not the color that they're referring to. This is definitely orange. It's citrus. It's just, again, it's like the juicy clementines. You know what I mean? And I know that's not technically an orange, but you know how juicy they are and you can smell the sweetness? That is 100% this product again. Every one of her fruit items have been very juicy and very sweet. So that is everything inside of my PLouise budget box for February. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, there's so much fruit in here. I'm not used to that. But this year, we haven't received the palettes like we did a year ago. So I'm kind of keeping an eye on this box just for that reason, because I still think this is a good box. You're still getting to try out some really fun items. They're cute. The packaging is adorable. They smell amazing. But I'm missing those palettes. You know what I mean? So I don't think this is bad, but I definitely am going to keep my eye out for it. But we're going to see if we get as many palettes this year as I did last year, just because I'm not sure if it's changed now, or maybe this was just a one-off box. But outside of that, I think this was really cute. Like I said, I love that we got the whole fruit bowl in here. That's what she should do, is send us the whole fruit salad. You know what I mean? Like whipped cream, like a whipped moisturizer, and then all of these fruits to go. Oh my gosh, that'd be adorable. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.